I'm ready for my close-up.
So yeah, we're gonna try a few different things today. We're mainly wanting to film this just because we do some different adjustments with you.
Yeah.
And then you also want to try the occipital lift today.
Yeah.
Cool. I guess you saw that on.
I did.
It's funny. I don't usually do that with clients, but for the video, I feel like it just looks cooler. And
Yeah.
the audio comes out a lot better.
Yeah.
There's no like ruffling of paper. So all new things today. And we're gonna fall into this hand here. Good.
Ooh,
Awesome.
nice. Ooh, wow.
Is that more than we usually get?
Oh, yeah.
Sweet. All right, good. I'm glad you asked that.
Even cleared up my sinuses a little bit. My goodness. That's great.
Dude, actually, if you want to get behind me. Cool. Good release.
Ooh, yeah.
That was a lot. You can breathe now.
Other
Switch
hug.
the arms. Yeah,
Yeah.
good. All right. And then lean back a little bit more.
Oh, man.
Got it?
Oh, yeah.
Awesome. Let's stretch you out first. I'm going to kind of feel where that thoracic tension is.
Okay.
And we've got a new tool to see if we can get a little bit more pressure.
Sweet.
In here. And we're going to reverse if you want to.
Yeah.
I
Just wanted to see where I need to be.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I can go this here. And then we're going to set this guy up.
Okay. So butt like up against here.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
That should hit our mark. So we're going to take both the hands like that. And we'll bring them around the head.
Okay.
Come a little bit lower on the neck.
Sure.
And then bring the elbows in. Let's pop this right up. Alright. Cool. And I got you here. Go ahead and relax on the back.
Oh, my God. That was like a freaking explosion.
Yeah. That actually released
Yeah.
movement there.
I heard at least like 6 cracks. That's what I've been wanting the whole time. Thank you.
It's funny because I know you were talking about that instrument that he had,
Yeah.
and Mackenzie's like, why don't we use the drop piece? And I was like, that's a great idea.
Yeah. Wow. Well, I'm glad we tried it.
Right, everything feels pretty good right there.
Mm-hmm.
So I'll do that little pull at the end.
Ooh.
More?
Nah, that's good.
Okay.
I think we got most of it with the lift move.
Yeah.
Oh.
All right.
You can never get the thumb, but you always get the wrist. That's for sure. Oh my goodness.
Come close into here.
Ooh.
No cracks left behind.
I know. Jeez. You even got the knee this time. My goodness.
It's the video camera. Got to perform.
Ooh, jeez.
And come around this side. All right. Relax that there. All right. Awesome.
Crunchyroll, right?
I'll help you on up here.
Yeah, man.
Sweet. We finally got our video in.
Yeah, yeah. And an amazing adjustment too with that drop plate thing.
Yeah.
I like it.
it.
Yeah. Thanks, man.